In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching text effect using CapCut, where it appears that text is seamlessly sitting behind a person in your video. This popular editing technique can add an impressive level of professionalism to your videos. And the best part is, it's simpler than you might think. So let's dive in and break it down step by step. To get started, you'll first need to import your video into CapCut and place it onto the timeline. This is your base for all the editing magic that's about to unfold. Make sure your video is ready for edits, as this forms the foundation of your project. If you haven't worked with CapCut before, importing videos is a breeze. Simply drag your chosen clip into the project area and drop it onto the timeline. Next, we're going to add some text to your video. Choose the text tool and type in whatever message you wish to appear. Once your text is added, you'll need to position it strategically over your video. Place it directly over the subject or person you want the text to appear behind. Adjust the size and font of the text to match the aesthetic you're aiming for. This step is crucial because proper placement will make the effect more believable. Now here comes the interesting part. You'll need to duplicate your original video clip. This duplicated clip will be placed on a higher layer right above the text on the timeline. This additional layer is essential for achieving the effect because it works as the cutout overlay of your subject. We're almost there. With the duplicate video layer selected, use tools like Mask or Chroma Key. These tools help in isolating the subject in the top layer so that the text underneath remains visible. If you're using Mask, you'll be manually drawing around the subject to mask out the area. Chroma Key, on the other hand, is best used if there's a distinct background color that you can key out. Both methods aim to cut out just the subject, creating a window through which the text will be seen. It might take a bit of finesse to get the settings just right, ensuring that your subject is clearly defined while the text shines through behind them. Once you've meticulously cut out the subject using either Mask or Chroma Key, the illusion is complete. This clever trick gives the impression that your text is perfectly situated behind the person in your clip. It's a powerful effect that can elevate the dynamic of your video content, making it much more engaging for your audience. And there you have it. A mesmerizing text behind subject effect using CapCut. Practice with different videos and text placements to master this technique, and you'll find it adds an impressive flair to your creative projects. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.